Hi everyone, welcome to the Wellness Connection. I'm Michelle LeMay.
And I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And today we have an awesome recipe for you. It is a chicken Caesar salad. So I can't wait to start making it and eating it.
Me too.
All right, we'll see you in a bit. Welcome back, everybody. As you can probably tell by our attire that the 4th of July is right around the corner, and most households in America are celebrating the 4th of July with what kind of things?
Oh gosh, hot dogs, hamburgers, barbecues.
Yes. Well, it wasn't until...
Fireworks,
yes. It wasn't until I went to nationaldaycalendar.com that I discovered there was something else that's celebrated on the 4th of July that has a very interesting history that I thought it was so cool that I thought we should share it with you.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to read from their website that it is National Caesar Salad Day. It's celebrated on July 4th.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either. But this is really cool. So I'm going to read you a little bit of the history first. So it was during this holiday weekend in 1924 that Caesar Cardini created the Caesar salad for his elite Hollywood crowd at his Tijuana, Mexico restaurant for the Independence Day weekend. As a part of the service, he made a large display of mixing the salad before his guests in the middle of the dining room, tossing the ingredients dramatically. As a result, a tradition was born which continues today. Cardini's original Caesar salad did not contain anchovies. And some of you might be thinking, good, they're disgusting. Well, they have really amazing nutritional value. So anyway, let me read on. The dressing called for Worcestershire sauce, which is derived from anchovies.
Yes, it is.
So that's pretty interesting that's where, I thought it was, Caesar Augustus?
I thought it was named after, who knows, Caesars from the past. I have no idea. That's what I thought, because you always see the picture of a Caesar on there, from the Roman Republic.
I know, isn't that funny? So it was a chef that made this salad for the first time back in 1924.
Yeah.
So it's almost 100 years ago, which is pretty amazing.
Yep.
So a couple of the ingredients, like I mentioned with the anchovies, people, when they know what's in there, get kind of squeamish about. Thankfully, I didn't know those were in there when I first tried it. Otherwise, I might not have tried it.
It tastes good.
You wouldn't have had any issue.
Yeah, just because anchovies have a negative connotation. That's all.
Right. But, if you like salty, you're going to like this Caesar salad dressing. So obviously anchovies, you can leave out a raw or partially cooked egg if you like. Parmesan cheese. We decided to make this a dairy-free, as you'll see in a little bit. We used nutritional yeast, which has a lot of nutritional
vitamins. Yeah, the
value.
B vitamins in there.
Yeah, which we are definitely depleted of B vitamins in this country. And of course, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, and I used I don't know if I should say famous, but my really yummy rosemary, garlic, thyme, Pink Himalayan Sea Salt.
Yummy. Good stuff.
It's so good. It makes everything better. It's great. You can go online and find a recipe to make it yourself. So with all that being said, we're going to start putting the ingredients together, which is super easy. It only takes a few minutes.
Yep.
And then we're going to do the taste test.
That's my favorite part.
Yes. So we'll see in just a little bit. that was another easy recipe because honestly, if it's not quick and easy, then I don't want to make it.
And it's got to be good for you too, or else I wouldn't recommend it.
Exactly. So, you ready to taste test?
I'm ready to taste test.
Me too.
Okay.
Okay, so we won't clink bowls like we've done before.
No. Super simple, very tasty.
That is so good.
I really like the avocado. The avocado in here really gives it a great, creamy taste to it. And you're getting good fat. The anchovies have both good DHA and EPA oil in. Just think of like EPA oil is like the Environmental Protection Agency is protecting your body. So that's what EPA oil is.
This is so good and creamy and salty. And you can add in the chicken. You can leave it out if you want.
But you want some protein in there. It's got protein, fat, good carbohydrates. I mean, this is a really good recipe for your 4th of July. I
know. So I want to really dig into the rest of this. I'm sure you do too. So I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I hope you maybe incorporate that in your 4th of July celebration, either this year or in the future.
So if you like this recipe, give us a like. Also, click the notification bell so you can keep getting these great videos every single week. And anything else, Michelle? Subscribe?
Oh, well, definitely. To hit the bell, you got to subscribe. So for sure, subscribe. And then this way, when you hit the bell, you don't miss any of these awesome recipes.
Yes.
So I guess that's it for the Wellness Connection.
It is for this week.
So happy 4th of July.
And we will see you next time on the Wellness Connection.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Dig in.
Next.